Made it through property, on that minority, you never start. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't with me, yeah.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Just Vibe Profits. We are back with another video. I'm going to show you the support and resistance on the 5-minute. If you don't know, now you know. I am a scalper in the Forex market for 4 years now, and I'm going to get straight to the point and show you how to trade support and resistance only. So first setup I already have ready is a support setup. So to notice when there is a support setup coming in is these long wicks. Long wicks. Wicks, wicks, wicks. When you see so many wicks on the bottom, this is basically holding support. It's telling you that the market do not want to go past these wicks. It don't want to go past this line. So what I always do is that I draw a line of cross where I see all these wicks. So say for example that the market went back and it's right here. Now you already see wicks right here as well too. That matters. You keep seeing wicks, 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 wicks. And so this is how. Wait till it comes down. You already see the resistance. Some people probably would have got in, but for clarification, I wanted to get closest to the line as possible. But I'm already seeing so many wicks. Boom, right here. Wick. When it passes the next previous candle, that's when I'm getting in the market. I'm not getting in until it passes this candle. Let's see. Until it passes the previous candle. Boom, I'm getting in. All right, so it passed up. I will be getting in for this buy right here. I'm going to put, let me change that. Black. Yeah. All right, I'm going to put it to the next level. Normally, I'm aiming for like 10 pips, or you can aim for the next level. I'm going to go with 10 pips as normally what scalpers aim for. And then just a little bit above the line. Normally when I'm in a trade, I just put a breathing room, or sometimes I aim for 10 pips. It just depends what mood I'm in, honestly. I'm not going to lie. And let's see how it plays out. And let's see. It was so close. And boom, still won the trade. Still won the trade. So right here, you're just one pip from a win. Sometimes it be like that. Sometimes it be with that. But you know why it went down? Let me show you why it went down for a minute. So with 10 pips, honestly, hold on. Right here. Exactly 10 pips if you want to be technical. But it went down because of there is a supply setup right here. And so if you was not to take the support setup, you can easily take the supply setup into right here, draw across, boom, won that trade. So it's multiple ways to win in this. Multiple ways to win this. Let's go to the next setup. All right. Now this right here, it's a lot of resistance. So resistance is when you see long wicks on the top. It's resisting to go up. It don't want to go up. When you see wicks like this, multiple wicks, is telling you that we don't want to go up. It's telling you we don't want to go up. And so right here where I highlighted all of these wicks is literally saying like, yo, we don't want to go up. So say, for example, there's multiple ways to attack this. So let's go back to right. Let's say right here. All right. So I see that it's all these wicks happening. I'm not going to get in until it passes the previous candle. Boom. I'm in the market right here for a sale. I'm putting this a bit above to 10 pips right here. 10 pips. Let's see how it plays out. You see it dancing. Boom. You won the trade. But there's so many other ways to enter it. Say that you missed that trade, right? Look at this line. Look at these wicks. Right here. Already. So be like, dang, I just missed that move. Well, look at this. This is a whole new resistance level. Let me pull up my arrow. This is a whole new level. Boom. Resist, 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 resist. You have opportunities to come back. So if I was like, oh, dang, I missed this level. Boom, boom, boom. I'll wait till it come back. And then I'll get it right here. Right here. Let me go back to show you what I mean. So there's still ways that you can attack this trade. I would get in right here, past the previous candle, put it a little bit above. Boom, 10. Boom, 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 boom. Won the trade, already out. There we go. Like, that's a cheat code. Like, just because you missed the upper move on the top, that don't mean you can continue to follow the trend. These are pullbacks. So the market's going up and it's dropping back down. These are multiple pullbacks. So when you see pullbacks, you can attack it so many different ways, y'all. Like this setup, it has so many flexible opportunities. So say you get a box and you see these pullbacks. Boom. Go back in time. You missed that trade, right? Well, you see that the market pulled back. Basically, the market aimed down. It went up. It pulled back. Boom, boom, boom. When you see pullbacks, mark that up. And look. Look at that. It come back to that pullback. Right when it came back, I'm entering in this trade. I'm putting it a little bit behind. 10. Just imagine this is 10. 10. Look at that. There's multiple ways to attack that trade. Just that one setup. Just that one setup. Let's go to the next one. This is another resistance. So, a bad habit I used to have like 2 years ago in trading is not paying attention to the left side. Look at this. Where is these wicks coming from? Why is the line so above? Because look at this over here. Look at all these wicks. You wouldn't even know if you did not look to the left side. Look at this. I just showed you like 4 different setups. Wicks, 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 wicks. Draw a line. Drag it all the way across. We're going to get to those. But let's go. I'm just showing you where it came from. Came from here. Drag it across. Boom. And you see. Right there. Boom, 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 boom. So once I see this, I'm like, okay, it's time to get in. So pull back. Boom. All right. Attack this trade. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Just imagine that says 10 over there. Honestly, this one, I would attack it to the next level. So it'll be like that. See how it plays out. Boom. Won that trade. Just like that. And so say, for example, that you missed that setup. What did I tell y'all the last time? Pullbacks. Say that you missed this right here. Wait till it comes up. You find a pullback, just wait. Just wait. And then you just trade again. You just follow it. You just follow it. All right. Next setup. Trust me, y'all. Eventually, I'm going to get this clicking noise together. I'm going to get this clicking noise together eventually. So let's get it. All right. So this right here, another resistance. There's a lot of resistance on EU, but there's another resistance. You see, wick, 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 wick. So what you do basically, that there's 1, 2, 3. I see 3 setups all on this one thing. So let's go back. Right when I see a long wick like that, first of all, it covered a gap. And I'm just now finding this out. This is so many different ways to trade, yo. So look, markets, the banks, right here, they love to leave gaps. Eventually this gap has to get covered. So what do? They come up, they boom. They have a gap. So honestly, this can go as a resistance, or this can simply just go as a supply setup like this. Like I said, there's multiple ways to attack this. See? And then let's see how it goes. Boom, 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 boom. So that was a setup already. Technically, you would have entered. Let me just measure it out for you instead. You would have entered like right here. Go down. Boom, 10 pips already. All right. That's another setup. I'm not going to mark it off. But all of these right here, you don't want to go up. That's a setup right here. Is a setup. 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 This is 3 times to attack it. And you see, just off. Let me remove this. This can go either or. Just off of this, these wicks right here, look how many times it wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Look how many times. Yo, it's crazy. And then let's go to the next setup. So those setups would have been all right here. Now, let's get to this right here. This is a support setup. So it don't want to go under. So your trades here, boom, 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 boom. You see it comes back. You could either enter in, the best trade is to enter in right here. You see these wicks all right there. You will literally enter into the market right here. Go for a 1-to-1. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Won the trade. Put the stop loss a little bit above. Boom, won the trade. So this is like the best way, and it's the best cheat code to enter in. Let's see what else I got for y'all. This is another support setup. You see wicks, 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 wicks. Drag it across. What happened? It went up, went down, up, da, 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 da. It touched down. Right when it touches this line, or even if it's like right here, like right when it's over near your line and you see it heading back up, enter in the trade. Right here. 10 pips, 12 pips, whatever. Boom. Won that trade. Wix is the biggest cheat code. Even right here. Look at this. Wix, Wix, Wix. It don't want to go up. Look, it drops down. It don't want to go up. Drop, drop. This is not as big, but it's still dropping. All these wicks right here. Let me draw that one out because that's good. Boom. Draw it across. Enter in. Right there. Boom. Just a simple trade right there. You won. Like, come on. Come on. Support setup. Look at all these wicks. By now, you should be getting the hang of it. Wicks, 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 wicks. Trade right here. So say you see this, you draw it across, and it don't have to exactly, like, it can play around with it. Like this line and it pass it, that's okay because you still see a long wick. If I was in this, I'll go back. I see that it don't want to go down. I'm not getting in until it passes the candle. Now you get in, make some money. Boom, a little bit. And boom, you won that trade. Look at that. And then look, there's some more wicks. I didn't mark up this setup, but honestly, nah. Because look at this right here. Before I mark that up, that's a perfect example. Sometimes you can fall for it because look at this. There's a supply setup waiting for it to come. Let's see what it does. Yeah. Look at that. So that looks like a 15-minute setup right here. This big, it looks like a big zone, but this is like a 15-minute setup. And this do not have nothing to do with support right now. Besides these wicks, you can count that a little bit. But this is banks. So that's how I knew it's going to come back up. And it's even going to cover these gaps as well. So that's the setup right here, to enter right here, follow the trend. Yep. All right. All right. This is resistance right here. So remember when I took y'all all the way over there and I said, look to the left? Well, this is where it started. Multiple ways to enter into this trade. Boom. Right there. I want to put that stop loss that big, but on the trade, there's 3 times you could have entered. 3 times. Now this one is choppy. It probably would look better on the 15. I probably wouldn't take this trade only because it probably would have confused me with all of these wicks right here. It probably would have tricked you thinking it's coming up. I wouldn't take this trade, but that don't mean it's not a trade because you can still enter in right there. Now, will I say it's a good trade? It's a little something. You see how far I went? Because I could tell someone to be like, ooh, and they try to hold it down here. This is a quick 7 pip, 8 pip, and get out. I think that was the last one that I have for y'all in store. But just by even going through this chart, you already see right here. Get a line. You see all these wicks. You look to the left, drag it across. What happens when you drag it across? It goes down. Resistance. Same over here. Wick, 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 wick. Drag across, goes up. And this is what I mean. It's not the same as like when you have a zone and the candle passes the zone. It's not the same. Like when it passes this line, it's still okay. All right, let me see if I can get one more in for y'all. Boom, right here. There was a lot of resistance on this chart. Drag across. You see it. You already know. Hop in right here. Ooh, there was multiple times to attack this. Say that you missed this, you can get in right there. And this is already 11:11. Boom, boom. And perfect. All right. So I hope you appreciate this video, yo. Support and resistance. That's all you need on the 5-minute chart. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment down below any sections that you feel like that will be best to learn about day trading. I have beginner courses and I have advanced courses. This is for all levels right here for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I love y'all, and peace.